Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? First, verify microphone permission in settings so the app can record. Once done, open your chosen recorder app and pick a new track or file name. Make sure your phone's volume and do not disturb are set to avoid interruptions, and position the built-in mic toward your mouth about 6-12 inches away. If you're using an external mic, plug it in and confirm the device appears in the app's input list before you hit record. Now you'll focus on levels and technique. Press record and speak at your normal volume while watching the app's meters so peaks stay below clipping. Aim for a steady peak around -6 to -12 decibels. Make sure you wear headphones to monitor real-time and detect issues early. If noise appears, move to a quieter spot or adjust gain. Once you've captured a test phrase and verified clarity, continue with your full take, pacing yourself and using natural inflection. Finish by stopping the recording, saving with a clear name and date, and exporting in the format you need, WAV for quality or MP3 for smaller files. Choose a bitrate of at least 128 kbps for speech. Once done, review the file briefly to confirm audio integrity. If you encounter problems, no audio, low volume, or distortion, first check app permissions, then restart the app or phone, and test the mic in another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.